In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a post on X, Twitter. First, let's begin by opening your web browser and typing in the address https://x.com. This is the official site for X, formerly known as Twitter. Once the page loads, you will see a familiar layout. It's important to ensure you are on the correct website to access your account securely. If you are logged in, you will have access to all your posts and various features available on the platform. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for everything you will do next. Once that is done, look to the left side of the screen for the menu options. You will see several icons representing different sections of your account. Click on the profile option. This takes you directly to your personal profile page where all your tweets are displayed. Your profile is where you can manage all your posts and interactions. Being in your profile is essential because it allows you to view the content you want to modify or remove. Now, you should see a list of all your posts. Scroll through to find the specific post you want to delete. Look closely at the content and make sure it is the right one, as this action cannot be undone once completed. This step is significant because it prevents accidental deletions. You want to be certain that you are deleting the correct post. Take your time to review the post before moving forward. After identifying the post, click on the three dots, often referred to as the Options menu, located at the top right corner of the post. This menu is represented by the symbol Trump2. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu with several options related to that post. It's important to recognize this menu as it gives you access to various actions you can take concerning your post. You will see other options, but for now, we are focused on deleting the post. Next up, from the drop-down menu, select the Delete Post option. This option is usually near the bottom of the list. Clicking this initiates the deletion process. Once you select this, a prompt will appear, asking for confirmation. This step is crucial as it ensures you are fully aware of your decision to delete the post. It's always good to double-check before making irreversible changes. Now, to finalize the deletion, confirm by clicking the Delete button in the prompt that appears. This action will remove the post from your profile and the X platform entirely. You might see a brief notification confirming that your post has been deleted. This confirmation is reassuring as it lets you know your action was successful. With that ready, your post is now gone. You can take a moment to refresh your profile page to confirm that the post has been successfully removed. Deleting unwanted posts helps keep your profile clean and relevant. It also allows you to maintain control over what others see on your account. Thank you for following along in this video. Deleting posts is a straightforward process, but it's always good to know how to do it. If you have any further questions, feel free to look for more tutorials. Happy tweeting!